We have such amazing makeup artists these days out there, but I don't think they're getting the knowledge that they need to know about. I think it's really important that it's sort of spread out there a little bit more.
Now it's so popular, it's unbelievable. People come in every weekend to have the makeup done. I would definitely say makeup now is way more advanced. When I was kind of first starting out with makeup and I was coming to terms with everything, we were always taught about how we should sanitize things, but it was never really the importance of why. People see it as an additional expense and don't understand the importance of it. So I feel like people should really pay attention to why we clean as brushes, why we should be cleaning as brushes, what benefits you're going to have from it. If you think how much you spend on your skincare, making sure you're taking all yesterday's makeup and dirt and grime off your face, and then in the morning you go and put the same dirty foundation brush back on your skin, you might as well have just not spent 30 quid on a nice cleanser.
For example, even if you've just got a spot on your face and the day before and you've used your makeup brush and you've not cleaned it and you come to use it the next day and you're putting it all over your skin, that's sort of spreading that bacteria everywhere.
I think if people were more aware of what actually happens when you don't clean your brushes, people would probably be a little bit more eager to actually go and wipe over the foundation brush more than once every 2 months.
I think, especially with makeup artists and a lot of women, what I always found why I could never be bothered to clean my brushes, because it used to take me about an hour. So I think the main thing is finding a product where you can clean your brushes and knowing that they're going to be dry within like seconds. So this is why I'm so glad and excited that I've come across ISOCLEAN.
I use ISOCLEAN on my brushes after all my clients. At the end of the day, it dissolves everything. It literally removes foundation like no other, and it dries dead quick.
Not just for me at home, but for my makeup artists in the salon. They're able to clean the brushes without having to wait for them to dry. They can just have the one set of brushes where they can quickly clean them and then use them straight away on the clients, and they dry straight away with the ISOCLEAN.